Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got my 2011 Volkswagen Jetta 2.0 diesel TDI. I'm going to do a serpentine belt replacement. It has been 8 years, almost 100,000 kilometers. So I think it's probably long overdue to change. This is the new one I got right here. It's an AC Delco 6K420. Got it up on ramps. Got to remove the skid plate from the bottom. We're also going to pop open the hood. If you ever want to do an inspection, you just shine a light down through there and you can see. I mean, for 8 years, 100,000 kilometers, it really doesn't look too bad, but you don't want to risk it either. So here's another look at her. See that small pulley right there? It's shadowed. We're going to get our wrench on that and back it off and pull the old one out. Alright, this is where the fun begins. I'll take my wrench. Adjust it. This. Go forward. Enough to pop that belt off. And get her out. All right. Here comes the fun part. It's all fun and games to come start putting the belt back on. Right. So I included this in the video of what not to do. Never in any circumstances use a ratchet and a socket, because you're going to end yourself up in a little bit of trouble. It works extremely well. Trust me. You can see it right here in the video. I'm getting the extra leverage I need. I just got the belt on. I'm feeling success. I'm like, yes, I got it. This is great. I release the tension, and then I'm stuck between the frame and the pulley. And at this point, there's nothing but sadness, and it took a little bit of work to get her off. So there we have it. The belt is back on. I'm going to give you my experience. I was trying to bring the belt over the crank pulley. In the end, that didn't work too well. And also because of the small limited space there, I couldn't get my camera in there to get a good view. So what I did is I had the belt around the alternator, around the tensioner, around the crank pulley, and then I pulled it over the AC, because that way I could get my hand between the radiator hose and that hole where the AC pulley is, whereas your wrench, when you turn it on, cranks it all the way around and up. Word of advice, don't use a socket like I did, because it was real pain. What I experienced is that it actually got stuck between the tensioner pulley in the frame, which wasn't very good. Now let's have a look at this belt. Right here is the one that came off. It's actually in really good shape still. Had a few more years left on it, but we got a new belt. We don't have to worry. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.